We've got some groundbreaking news today. Morocco is set to become the first African and Arab country to manufacture the airframes of American F-16 fighter jets. But there's way more to this story than just that headline. So, how exactly will this project transform Morocco? Let's dive in. First off, this massive initiative will create thousands of jobs in the Nouasseur region and surrounding areas. We're talking about 3,000 direct jobs that require expertise in engineering, mechanics, and military electronics. Plus, an additional 5,000 indirect jobs related to logistics and support services. This is a massive employment boost for the region. Now, what does this mean for Morocco's economy? The project is expected to bring in over $500 million annually, more than 5 billion Moroccan dirhams. That's a huge injection into the national economy, and it means Morocco will no longer need to spend money on maintaining its fighter jets abroad. Everything will be handled locally, using Moroccan expertise. But why Nouasseur? Why not Nador, Tétouan, or Tangier? The choice was strategic. Nouasseur is close to Casablanca, near Mohammed V International Airport, and connected to major highways, ports, and cities. Plus, Nouasseur already has a skilled labor force in the aviation industry. Fun fact, there isn't a single plane flying today that doesn't contain parts manufactured in Nouasseur. So, the choice was practical and well considered. This project is historic for Morocco's defense industry. Even advanced countries like Turkey and Egypt don't currently have facilities to assemble or produce F-16 airframes. And let's not forget, F-16s are among the most widely used fighter jets globally. One of the most significant aspects of this project is its impact on technical training and workforce development. Morocco will establish technical universities and training institutes in partnership with Lockheed Martin. These institutions will produce nearly 200 Moroccan engineers and technicians in the first year alone. These engineers will gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge technology like 3D printing and robotic arms. What about the bigger picture? This project positions Morocco as a strategic defense link between the Atlantic and the Mediterranean. European and African nations will increasingly depend on Morocco for maintenance and spare parts. Morocco will transition from being a consumer of military equipment to a strategic partner in aerospace security. Looking forward, Morocco aims to expand its production capabilities to include F-35 airframes and other military equipment. This project is a stepping stone, potentially establishing Morocco as a global defense conglomerate. To sum it up, Morocco's partnership with the United States to manufacture F-16 airframes is a game-changer. It's set to elevate Morocco's defense industry, boost the economy, and create thousands of jobs. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Leave your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. This is Soufiane Sa'me signing off. Peace be upon you.